course, this part of the video is for my friend Sandy. I gave her a plant, and she wanted to know about how she could go about bringing it inside. So here we have our pot. Now to get some sand. All right, cool. We got our sand. Now, take this for example. This is some more thyme. We're gonna go ahead, and I might make this its own separate little video as also, but I'm gonna add it onto this one just so you can see. And have it firmly planted down there. Gonna add some soil. And as you can see, like I told you guys at the beginning of this video, you're adding the sand at the bottom so no bugs think about going inside of it and going inside of it from the bottom. And now that we have it like that, we're gonna add some more sand to the top. And you're good to go. And so this is how you would necessarily bring a plant in for the winter. And this has worked numerous times for me. And you can kind of put a little pitcher at the bottom. That way it can kind of hold the water. You guys are probably familiar with that. And then that way you can come water from the bottom. And if gnats think about coming into here and planting like eggs and larvae and stuff like that, it'll get shredded by the sand. And if it tries to go through the bottom, it'll get shredded there. So yeah, so that was a fun little adventure. All right, you guys, just want to go ahead and wrap it up there. The rest of this is going to be like a part of a different video, but at least I wanted to go ahead and separate this part out just so you guys can see how this process typically goes when you want to bring a plant inside. So feel free to like, subscribe, and tune in for more, but I'm going to have more detailed videos about that bigger pot down there and how I'm bringing in plants for the winter and other important updates coming up soon. See y'all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this with some people that you like. And if you like it, leave a comment, maybe even subscribe. And if you don't like it, like it and subscribe anyway. See y'all next time.